man versus ocean in its rawest form. Ross Clarke-Jones and Tom Carroll are two big wave surfers hell-bent on finding the next big wave to ride. One is a tow surfing pioneer, and the other a two-time world champion. With the help of surf forecaster Ben Matson, they go to the ends of the earth to find waves no one else has ridden. Ross and Tom live to ride the beast, but how bad is its bite? No one can deny how scary it looks, but how dangerous is your average big wave? Each cubic metre of seawater in this wave weighs just over 1 tonne. The wave itself stands at 10 metres tall and the falling lip is 20 metres wide. So this part of the wave alone weighs about 410 tonnes, the equivalent of 315 small cars. This huge volume of water is falling at 70 kilometres an hour. Add that to the wave's horizontal speed towards the shore, and you have around 500,000 kilograms of water moving at speeds exceeding 100 kilometres an hour. The result is an explosion of water that can plunge a surfer to depths of 5 or more metres, burst eardrums and bend limbs backwards.
Just hit one big chop!
It's a far cry from your local beach break.
A lot of guys that surf big waves, they train, they're a lot fitter than me, but they don't have that natural spirit to just go. And it's just a charging mechanism, I think, I don't know.